जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 3rd chapter कर्मयोगम 42nd श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा teaching निष्काम कर्म to each and every one of us including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma says that, "O Arjuna, desire, kamam, lives in your indriyas." So indriyas, senses, is the living place for your kamam. That kamam destroys your jnanam. If it is living in indriyas, means indriyas destroys your jnanam. Now you need to gain control over indriyas and make sure the desire, kamam, loses its first living place. Then mind, it is the second living place of kamam. This mind is more powerful than indriyas. Now start practicing to keep your mind under your control and make sure the kamam, the desire, loses its second living place. Arjuna, then third living place of kamam is buddhi, intelligence. The nature of this buddhi is it justifies anything that a bad thing you do, it justifies it as a good thing. That kind of nature is known as viparita buddhi. This viparita buddhi finds logic even in doing bad thing. Now you have to keep your buddhi in good path by listening to divine teachings, divine preachings from elderly people. With that you can make sure the kamam loses its third living place. Arjuna, but the kamam is very, very powerful. It spreaded all over into deeper layers of your indriyas, manas and buddhi. So it is very, very important for you to conquer this kamam, for you to gain atma jnanam. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma emphasizing upon us to conquer kamam, the desire, in order to attain atma jnanam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teaching running in our thoughts, let us now repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Indriyani paranyahuhu indriyebhyaha param manaha manasastu para buddhihi yo buddhehe paratastu saha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on listening to my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on listening to your teachings by reading at least one Gita sloka every day. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Dvitiya Skandham, Sri Suka Yogindra saying to Parikshin Narendra, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma is the personification of all auspiciousness. Now I am doing namaskaram to such Sri Krishna Paramatma. Yet charanopasadanat. O Parikshin Narendra, only by meditating upon divine lotus feet of Sri Krishna Paramatma, we get detachment from this mundane world. Only by meditating upon the divine feet of Sri Krishna Paramatma, we get detachment and we get uninterest upon even the pleasures related to other worlds. Only by doing namaskaram and only by meditating upon lotus divine feet of Sri Krishna Paramatma, we get Brahmanandam, we get the divine abode wherefrom we do not have to come back to this cycle of birth and death. Such divine feet is of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Such divine Paramapurusha Srimannarayana I am doing namaskaram to. O Parikshin Narendra, Tapasvino, Danapara, Yasasvino, Manasvino, Mantravidaha, Sumangalaha. Even if you do tapas, even if you do charities, even if you do so much of meditation and control your mind, even if you follow so many traditions, even if you do so much of mantra japam, even if you do so much of Veda mantra parayanam, even after doing all this, kshemam na vindanti, you would not get whatever you supposed to be getting. You know why? Even after doing all these things, if you do not dedicate Vinaya Darpanam, if you don't dedicate all these things to Sri Krishna Paramatma with all of your affection and devotion, you do not get any kind of greater results out of even doing so many japas and yajnas. O Parikshin Narendra, that is why I am doing namaskaram to the divine lotus feet of Sri Krishna Paramatma, which will bestow us all kind of great auspiciousness and higher results, and which will make sure every one of our activity will be fruitful. Tasmai Subhadrasravase Namo Namaha. To such Paramapurusha, to such manifestation, embodiment of personification of auspiciousness, Sri Krishna Paramatma, I am doing namaskaram. I am bowing my head. O Parikshin Narendra, irrespective of people taking birth in any tradition, any dynasty, any kulam and any race and any kind of lowest categories, they will get Suddhyanti, they will be purified. When they get to Bhadratmu Sevinchi, Bhagavata Sresthula Sevinchi, Yadapashrayashrayaha, when they comes to Sri Krishna Paramatma, when they dedicate themselves to Sri Krishna Paramatma, when they show their humbleness to Krishna Paramatma's devotees, such people, irrespective of they born in any category, they will be definitely getting purified. Oh Parikshit Narendra, now I am filling up such auspicious Sri Krishna Paramatma in my heart, in my mind. Tasmai Prabhavishnave Namaha. Avikarum Prabhavishnu Nadu Madilo Nasrantamun Rokkedan. I am now doing namaskaram to such Paramapurusha in my heart, and I am continuously, constantly meditating upon such Sri Krishna Paramatma, Sriman Narayana. Like this, Sri Sukha Yogindra disclosing all of his devotion, dedication, love, affection towards Sri Krishna Paramatma in front of Parikshit Narendra before he begins teachings to Parikshit Narendra. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Jikhve Kirtaya Kesavam Muraripum Cheto Bhaja Sridharam Panidvandva Samarchaya Achyuta Kathaha Srotradvaya Tvam Srunu Krishnam Lokaya Lochanadvaya Hare Gacchangri Yugmalayam Jigraghrana Mukunda Padatulasim Murdhan Namadhokshajam. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 42nd sloka. Indriyani paranyahuhu indriyebhyaha param manaha manasastu parabuddhihi yo buddhehe paratastu saha. Indriyani paranyahuhu indriyebhyah param manaha manasastu parabuddhihi yo buddhehe paratastu saha. Sriman Narayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.